Hello, wonderful fourth grade Temple View families. This is your friendly neighborhood fourth grade teachers coming to you today to help you with the homework that you're going to see this week. So your son or daughter is going to come home with a packet like this. It's going to be on blue paper. It will always be on blue paper. And on the front cover, you will see this week's prefix. Throughout the year, you're going to have prefixes or suffixes, but this week we're working on the word or the prefix pre, and it has the word and the definition. Now, these lines will not be filled out until Thursday night with your son or daughter. The questions are, what activities did you do for your word study homework this week and why? How did these activities help you learn the spelling and meaning of your words? And what words do you think you are still struggling with? And what are you going to do to help learn these words better? So this is a tricky front page for most students at the very beginning because they don't understand what we're talking about. Okay, so on the second page is a menu of word study activities that your son or daughter can choose from. They can choose one per day, so they'll do one on Monday, choose a different one for Tuesday, a different one for Wednesday, and a different one for Thursday. Each one of them has a fun little game that they can do for their word study so that they can study their words for the week. And then when they finish all of those activities, then that's when they're going to fill out these and make sure that they just think about and reflect on the things that they did. Maybe the games that they chose were not the best and they need to do a different one for the next week. It's just so that they can have an action plan for the next week's homework. Okay, so this is done, and then this is just basic multiplication fluency. Now your child, feel free that they complete this page, and after the page is completed, then they can check it either with a calculator or you can help them check. But try to let them do this on their own at the beginning. Now this page is our reading part, and for the first 8 weeks of the school year, we work on poems. So what they'll do is they'll read this poem, and they know that readers always read it at least 3 times. They read it, they can check off the things that they can do, and then the next page is a reflection on their poetry. Now this page should not be done until Thursday night because it's a reflection on their poem. They're going to fill out what they think the poem is about, their favorite part of the poem. They like this part because it helps them do that second part of reflection. And it reminds me of, now this can be anything that they feel that poem represents. Now again, homework is given the first week of the week, or first day of the week, and it is due the last day of the week. All right, thank you so very much. Have a lovely weekend.